Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to on developer option mode on Redmi mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. Then from here, suppose you are in this screen. Okay, this is the first screen. From here you have to scroll down, and no need to scroll down. This is the first screen. Just click on about phone. Okay, then you have to scroll down, and here you can see all species. Just click on all species. After you have been click on all species, here is pigs. Okay, here you can see MIUI version. Just click on it on MIUI version. You have to tap again and again. Okay, just tap, and here it says you are now a developer option mode. It means it has been set on. So now if you want to check it whether it is on or not, just come to additional setting, click on it. So right now you can see here is the developer option mode. It has been turned on. Okay, you can check it now, right? And friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.